This video shows how to program addresses in the ESTRO Flame Safety module using the ESTRO programmer. The programmer has 5 buttons: on, off, up, down, write, and read. On, off also functions as a function select button. To begin, press the on-off button on the programmer. It will default to the address mode. Press the on-off button one additional time to access the segment and number screen. Now press the on-off button until you see a dot appear after the N-0 portion of the screen. Use the up-down arrows to program the address you wish to set. Now prepare the ESTRO for programming. Press the reset button on the ESTRO until you see a blinking 0. Position the ESTRO as shown. Now press the write button to write the address to the ESTRO. The 2 vertical bars indicate your position is correct. An 8 plus a vertical bar graph indicate the program is being written to the ESTRO. Once the program is committed, you will see the ESTRO return to a blinking 0. Remove the programmer from the ESTRO, press the reset button, and the ESTRO returns to service.